Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy dessert, fruit pizza. It's really refreshing and super simple to make. Let's get started. You will need sugar cookie dough, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and lastly, fruit. I chose strawberries, kiwi, and blueberries, but you can use whatever fruit you want, whatever's your favorite. Anything really works. Preheat your oven to 350. Then we're going to crumble our sugar cookie dough and spread it out on the pizza pan. We're going to let that bake for about 15 minutes. Once it's done baking, it needs to cool. While we're waiting on our sugar cookie crust to cool, we're going to work on our frosting. Mix together your sugar, vanilla extract, and cream cheese. Once the crust is cool, cover it with your cream cheese frosting. Then top the pizza with your fruit and whatever design you'd like. Let it chill for about an hour and then it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week with another demo.